coming back to the Alchimie Forever YouTube channel. I get really excited about packaging changes. I'm sure that you know this about me already. And I wanted to show you our new fully purple tube for our antioxidant skin repair gel. So if you remember when we started our brand, we were super colorful. We used blues and oranges and greens and white and purple. And we then kind of pared down our color assortment. We wanted to have our packaging express our brand, which is very clean and clinical. And so we went to just two colors, white and purple. White is a very medical, clinical color. Purple is the color of magic, so that kind of ties into our name Alchimie. But the all-white tubes just looked a little bland. So for our men's antioxidant skin repair gel, we decided to go all regal purple, and I am loving it. I hope you will too. Now, of course, the product itself has not changed. This remains our fabulous antioxidant oil-free aftershave gel. So if you are shaving, you should use it post-shaving. It will help with razor burn, it will help with post-shaving irritation, and it will really help to minimize ingrown hairs. So how does it do that? Well, this product contains 4 amazing ingredients, 2 that really focus on the anti-aging antioxidant properties of the product, and 2 that really focus on the anti-inflammatory properties. As our antioxidants, we use green tea and tomato extract. Green tea is very well known as containing powerful molecules to help with signs of skin aging. And tomato contains this amazing molecule called lycopene, which is one of these super antioxidants. So that's what's really going to help you with brown spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and signs of skin aging. On the anti-inflammatory side, we use rosemary and turmeric. And if you've used this product, you know that it varies in color between light yellow to slightly darker yellow. That is partially the turmeric and then partially the tomato extract. But both rosemary and turmeric are highly anti-inflammatory, so those are the ingredients that will help you with the post-shaving irritation, the ingrown hairs, and just the sensitivity after shaving. A lot of women ask me, well, you know, I sometimes get sensitivity after shaving in sensitive areas, even on my legs. Is this a product that I can use? And so yes, of course. This really was formulated with men's skin in mind. It is oil-free, which, you know, men's skin tends to be oilier and contain more sebaceous glands. The aroma is also, in my mind, a very musky, masculine aroma. But absolutely, if you suffer as a woman from ingrown hairs, you are welcome to use this product. The other question that I get a lot is, well, what about on the scalp? You know, if you're a gentleman who shaves or just has no more hair, I love that. Don't feel bad about it. But you do want to use a product on the scalp. You know, this is skin just like our face's skin. It's also where free radicals hit first, just because of the verticality of the body. And so this product is wonderful on the scalp, and again, because it is oil-free, it will leave you feeling, you know, supple and comfortable without looking greasy or oily. So again, I hope you enjoy the new packaging as much as I do, and the goop inside stays as fabulous as ever. Enjoy our antioxidant skin repair gel.